One sunny afternoon, Biko the buffalo plays on the grass. After a long time, he finds himself far from his family. Poor Biko. Layla is sitting in his Biko cries, "I can't remember how to get back. I have a bad memory." "You don't have a bad memory," says Layla. "You just don't pay attention." "Yes," Biko says as he remembers. "It was very hot, so I drank some water." "Did you pass any special trees?" Layla asks. "Mangoes," says Biko as they spot the mango tree from afar. One by one, Layla helps Biko remember. The field of tall yellow grass where the zebras like to hide, and the red mountain where the eagles fly high in the sky. He jumps with joy. "Thank you, Layla. You helped me remember the way back." A good memory starts with paying attention.